Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to send money through a PayPal account. So without further ado, let's just jump right to it. First of all, open your browser and make sure you're in the correct PayPal account, the one you want to send the money from. As you can see, here's the shortcut for the send already, but if you don't see it, then you can hover your mouse over to the send and request and click that. As you can see, here it says send. We are in the send tab already, but if you weren't, we'd be pressing the send button. Press that, and then here you have to type the name, either name, username, email or mobile, the person you're trying to send the money to. Even the PayPal link will work. So I'll be pasting a random PayPal account, Sandbox accounts link to it, like that, John Doe. You'll be seeing the picture of the person you're trying to send to if they have uploaded one. Make sure you're sending it to correct person. We want to send it to that person. So I'll be sending 700 USD. Please note that this is a Sandbox account, so no actual transaction is being made. So 700 USD looks good. You can switch the currency for the money you are trying to send to. For example, we'll be going with Australian dollars. So 511 USD is 700 Australian dollars. So it's already converted for us. So we'll be sending 700 Australian dollars, which is 511 USD. So looks good. Continue. And here you can add a quick note to it as a message to the person you're trying to send to, like it's a gift. And then you can also change this. Either option works fine. And then this looks good. It is just send payment now, like that. And there it is, it's done. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Cheers.